Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Silvitri and my last name 99. I class TBEIC. Okay, I will explain about the subject cross-cultural understanding, and my title is States and Law. Okay, states and law in three countries, UK, US, and Australia. The first, I will explain about the UK. In the United Kingdom or UK, the legal system, the structure of governments are influenced by a combination of constitutional principles, parliamentary laws, and case law. The UK does not have a single written constitution, but instead relies on statutory laws, common law, and conversations. Here's an overview of relationship between states. The UK has a new three countries, England, Wales, and Scotland. The legal system. The UK legal system primarily based on common law, which is developed through the decisions of a course of time. However, there is distinction in laws based on different legal systems in England and Wales, Scotland, and Northern Ireland. England and Wales. They are self-unified legal system. The law here is based on English common law and is influenced by parliamentary statutes. Scotland. Scotland. Scotland has its own legal system, which is hybrid of civil law, influenced by Roman law and common law. It is It has its own courts. It has Scottish Parliament has developed power to legislate of various matters. Northern Scotland devolved power on legal difference. Devolution means certain power have been transferred from the United Parliament which served there to develop government and Scotland, Wales and Netherlands. However, the UK Parliament retains power on civil matter, defence and immigration. So, the UK legal system is complex with each and constant countries having a degree of autonomy, especially in areas like law, education, and health. However, control government laws and constitutional principles such as parliamentary sovereignty apply across the entire UK. The interaction between these developed powers on Westminster remains a key feature of UK governments and law. Next, in United States or US, the relationship between states and federal law is established by the Constitution, which outlines with the power of responsibilities of both federal government and the individual states. Division of power between the state and the federal government is a fundamental aspect of US legal system often referred federalism. The US federal system. The United States is a federal unit consisting of 50 states, each with its own government constitution and legal system. The U.S. Constitution and Federal Law. The U.S. Constitution is the supreme law of the land. It outlines the structure of the federal government, including the legislative, executive, and judicial branch, and grants certain power to each branch. The Constitution also declined the power of federal government and reserved of other power to states and the people. State sovereignty and state law. Each of the 50 states in US has constitution, government, and legal system. States have the authority to pass laws and regulations on a wide variety of issues not addressed by federal law, such as criminal law, family law, property law, education, and each other. So, in the US or America, relationship between state and federal law is grounded in the Constitution, with federal law taking precedence and case and conflict. However, states remain significantly authority in areas not expression covered by federal law, allowing for a rich diversity of law across the 50 states. This balance of power, known as federalism, ensures that both state government and the federal government play important roles in the governance and legal landscape of United States. And the last in country Australia. In Australia, the legal system operates under a federal system, meaning that there are both states and federal government that make laws and exercise authority in different areas. The Constitution of Australia divides power between the federal government and state government, creating a complex system of governance and lawmaking. Here's an overview of how states and law operate in Australia. Australia Federal System. Australia is a federation consisting of 6 states and 2 territories. The 6 states are New South Wales, Victoria, Queensland, South Australia, Western Australia, and Tasmania. In addition, in the state there are 2 territories. There are Australian Capital Territory and Northern Territory. The Constitution and Division of Powers. The Australian Constitution divided the powers and responsibilities of federal government and state and established principles of federalism, with the federal government responsible for matters of national interest and the state handling more local and regional matters. Federal powers. States power, current powers, and resident power. So, my conclusion, Australia system of government based on federalism, where the power of federal government and state government are constitutionally defined and divided, while federal law applies across the entire country. In states law applies within borders and out each state, allowing for regional legal differences. The High Court of Australia plays crucial role in interpreting of constitutions and resolving disputes between states and federal laws, ensuring the proper balance of power in Australian legal system. In Indonesia, Indonesia is unitary republic with centralized government structure. This means most of the legal and political authority resides in the central government, which has the power to make law, enforce policies, and administer justice across the entire country. Indonesia consists of 34 provinces and 2 special regions, Jakarta and Jogja, and its multiplicates and districts at lower level of government, while provinces and local governments have some autonomy. The central government retains control over key legal and administrative matters. So, Indonesia operates as a united state with a highly controlling legal system where national laws take up precedence of regional regulation. Regional governments are granted autonomy to legislate in certain areas, but they must align with the border framework established by the national constitution and law. Additionally, Indonesian legal system incorporates a mix of civil law, Islamic law, and customary law, reflecting the country's cultural and social diversity. The legal framework allows both national unity and local autonomy, balancing national standards with respect for regional custom and tradition. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.